In this video, we will compare Build.com and Ramp. If you guys want to get started with either Build.com or Ramp, you can use the links given down in the description. When comparing Build.com and Ramp, there are a few key differences to consider. Build.com is primarily focused on automating accounts payable and receivable, streamline payment processing, and help businesses manage invoices and payments more efficiently. It integrates well with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. Ramp, on the other hand, is a corporate card and spend management platform. It allows businesses to track and control expenses in real time, offering tools for budgeting, expense approval, and integrating with accounting software to streamline financial workflows. In my opinion, if you're looking for streamlined account payable or receivable management, Build.com is a better option. However, if your main focus is on expense management and control for teams, Ramp is likely the better choice. So that's comparison between Build.com and Ramp. Make sure to use the links given down in the description to get started with either Build.com or Ramp. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.